Okay, hello. So today we are going to make this. It is by Jolie Knight. She makes a lot of awesome patterns. So start by cutting out the pattern, and then using the pattern, cut out your desired fabric. Using your pattern, lay it out, and then sew around the edge. It's called applique, so you get it and it stays nice and still. So I added some safety eyes, but as you can see here, I am going to have to add darts to my fabric. And I want the folded part to be on the inside, what'll be the inside. And we'll be back once that's done. Bye. After the darts are done, you want to fold in half and sew partially and then around the rest of the edge. After you have sewn around the edge and left a part open, you want to turn it inside out. Look how cute it is! Okay, so now that it is inside out, you want to stuff it. Stuffing! Once you have stuffed it, you should take a thread that matches the color of the fabric you are using, which is white here, and a hand sewing needle, and carefully sew up the opening so you have no raw edges showing. Ta-da! Look how cute it is! And there you go. There's a happy onigiri. Bye!